Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And I know based on the title, you guys expect me to be inside of a vehicle that I love. The company, but the type of vehicle, yeah. If you guys are an OG to the channel, you guys know that I am an L200 fan. I am an L200 fanboy. I like Hilux, I like Isuzu. Probably because I start off with the whole L200 thing, I continue with the whole L200 thing. Today now, I'm blessed with the opportunity to drive one of the new ones. I think the one here is 2020 or 2021. One of them there, but it's new. And as long as it's new, you don't know it's better than mine. Because mine is not a new one, is it? Yeah guys, I'm gonna see if I can show you the front and the back. Just you guys know the new 2020 L200 is that shape. This one is not the luxury package, but this one is luxury enough. My van have more of a luxury package that to this one, as this have like the commercial package and things like that. So guys, as I said, you have fabric seat, you have the whole Tiptronic thing, you now have a paddle shifter, but can work with. Yeah, I just want to give you an honest review of this van. As I say, has been a passion of mine to drive. Every time I see one, I covet it. Everybody I see with it, just know if I want to pass me a road and I see one van, I covet it. I love L200. So for now, we have that one here now. I think I can drive in a like 4-wheel drive on wet terrain, asphaltic concrete with that one here. I just high and low, just like my van. So far it is extremely quiet in comparison to my van. That already something I love about it. I actually got drop off something a while ago, and I suppose we kinda even get the opportunity to drive. I have it feel like as long as the person not drive it. Yeah guys, it was nice, quiet. Me in love already. Me in love already. Some people have bad reviews on the like Mitsubishi thing. Like they have I think the fan is Mitsubishi, you know, good. But trust me guys, when you come on to the L200, the Pajero, or whatever shotgun you call it, or Montero. I love the Monteros, the new ones. It is a miss to them as reliable vehicles. My van, you don't give me no trouble than the normal, you know, servicing. Some things wear and tear. But I kind of want to upgrade, but I don't want to go to the newest one as my plan for, you know, beat my van. The new one very expensive for my budget. Where it costs about 7 million to $8 million to own one of these. And I don't have that right now for spend on a personal vehicle. You understand? I know this one has a little bit more torque than mine. I think this one is around the 500 foot-pound region. Mine are really there so much. Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson. Now go up your yard. Now go up your yard. Let me see me in a first gear. Say. First. There's a lag, a major lag. Hold on.
Stop and put it back in.
Major lag.
Oh, that's how it works. No. Dash.
Oh, what's up? So guys, I know the place kind of dark. Sorry for the night review, but may I try do this as the opportunity presents itself. So guys, this is the outside of the van.
Peace slip on the whip, I might just go and cop a vet.
It is nice.
But I still be cashing checks. I be peace slip.
That is the bad boy. Yes sir. Yep. This is inside. Nothing much. Fabric seat. RTT. Feels good. This feels blank as this is not the sports model. Tiptronic. This look a thing here. My worst when it comes to a car review, as I don't know much about vehicles, so I can't tell us that this is this and that is that and this is that. It has some vents on here so my van don't have, and yeah, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I know. I have to do well on YouTube. A lot better in growing in the construction field to be able to nicely afford something like this. For now, we're working, and we're gonna get here. So as we have the potential, we have the dream, we have the focus, we have the knowledge, we garner the arguments intellectually, and yeah, this is definitely in the near future. I wish I could test like the payload and all of that to really feel the boost under this and the torque. However, for now, we're just bouncing it for a short while, and so far so good. Morning again, Team Ismash. I wanted to close out the vlog last night, but it got way too dark. Even though it's a bit overcast right now, we still are trying to get out the vlogs, and I'm actually in the middle of nowhere. Just me, my van, and I. I just hope you guys enjoy this vlog, as may I try, you know, getting a whole trucking thing. So may I try upgrade my license. Therefore, I think about getting a truck. I'm a truck on my van, but I don't know. We're gonna prefer with truck, of course, because a van are more of a personal vehicle. So for those who don't know my van, I also have a L200, but I have the older type of L200. This is on the inside of mine in comparison to the other one. As I say, mine have leather. The glass can go down. You have sunroof, and don't mind all of that stuff. But yeah, guys, if you're an L200 fan and you have stumbled up on this video because of the whole L200 title and all of that, welcome to my channel. And if you're in Jamaica and drive a L200 and you know you want to do like a L200 link up, I always want to join something like that. I've always been a fan of that, but I have to lift my van and all of that, and I can't bother all that crazy stuff. However, guys, as I said, I close out this vlog. New vlog coming in another 2 days. I have something nice and spicy for you. Team Ismash. I do some drift before. Me that try to get somebody to film this, but I do some drift before.
Really having paper, ballin' like a Laker. Car so loud that the neighbors really hate us. I'm a screensaver, money talk skyscraper. I'm my own boss, fuck I look like do some labor. Tell me please, somebody bitch on your knees.
I'm out. They say your favorite YouTuber never shows you what they have to do after a video. Damn. It's never worth it.